Are you concerned about tree or neighbor building shadowing of your photovoltaic installation? No problem. You can scan the shadow sources with your smartphone. This feature is available on Android devices. Right after the roof surfaces are marked on the map, tap Draw Obstacles button to mark potential shadow sources close to your roof. Now, tap the screen to put a white circle on a shadow source. Here it is, the tree close to the building. Now swipe your finger elsewhere on the screen to move the circle and mark the obstacle in blue color. Tap Draw Obstacles button again to leave the shadow sources identification mode. Finally, tap Proceed button to continue. Tap Draw Obstacles button. Mark potential shadow sources. Here the trees. You can mark each one separately by putting the white circle on each tree with a separate tap. Leave the obstacles identification mode. If the satellite image has poor quality, then mark obstacles positions approximately by selecting a slightly larger blue area. You'll be scanning the obstacles precisely later using the smartphone's camera. Tap Proceed button at bottom right, and then Augmented Reality Measurement button to open the camera and measure your building and obstacles. The app asks if the red pin on the map is your current location. If not, tap the map in the place where you actually stay with respect to the building. Again, click the Proceed button at bottom right. Your camera will open. First, measure the building within the augmented reality view. There is a dedicated video on building measurement. Use a link at the end of this video to watch it. Finally, you can now measure the tree. Click Mark Obstacles button to open obstacles scanning mode. Tap on the screen to make the tree outline. Click Mark Obstacles button again to leave the obstacles scanning mode. And that's all. Now generate your PV design and see the tree's effect on your roof solar potential.